JDCap 26 here, just tips and Peers and hobbies. And to make yourself a airbrush holder out of just a pill container, mark it with a scripto, the width of the airbrush, and then cut the tabs out with a pair of shears, metal shears like this. And you've got something to hold your airbrush while it's not in use. You can also weight the bottom if you want, and put some like weights in there if you have some fish sinkers, you know, so it doesn't tip over. And pretty stable the way it is now. Where that's what I want to show you today. And just a quick video. I had this idea because I keep laying the airbrush down when it's not in use. It's not connected to the hose. And I wanted something for it to stand up in. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care now.